again to our producers who believed in us enough to bring us here tonight in this beautiful venue. Best friends, Bon and Nato de Chavez. Give them a round of applause. Mega World International, Bon de Chavez. Come on. Something designed LBC Brisbane. And Caballo. Filipino Store and Cafe Miriam and Matthew. Come on. Connected Class Learning, Maria Artango. So professional, so as in so? Right. I have a whole thing. So professional, Casita Agrivante, I taken this to my house, and I love what I see. I taken it here, I taken it there. Coco Mango and Gloria, Coco Mango is Gloria and John Zoilek. Zoilek? Zolek. Ziolek. Ziolek. So you like the show so far? Stop. PA Travel, Josie Bulk. Is it Bulke? 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 Oh, he's very bulky. A very bulky person. Ria Money Remittance, Sam Antonio, come on. Maria Pau, Marilyn De Connolly, Franny Saludo. Is this a long list? Is everyone in the audience in this thing? Jinga juice? What's Jinga juice? After you have juice, you have to take a Jinga? Can you get it? Jinga juice, hold on. Okay, we're done. Hot courts, real estate, Asplay, area, Lolit, Bumanlag. This is taxation and business services, Romy Umali. Lani's Cucina, Chinese Filipino takeaway. So we take away the Filipino from the Chinese and you get... Is that what you mean? Oh, take away food. I thought, let's take away the Chinese from the Filipino. That is impossible. We need the Chinese. Yes. Lani, oh boy. Lani Raschenefsky. Raschenefsky, right? Okay. We should go first names here. Franco Gara, Lea Salonga's concert in Brisbane. You want to watch that? I do. She's coming here. World Tour, Australia, Migration Solution, Gloria Collins. Oh my God, is there more? Peel Street. Who wants to go there? Peel Street Kitchen. Oh, I want to go there. Angelo and Angela Valiante. Computer 101. That's June Mitante. And our producers is right here. Raul and Marlene Argana. It's Raul's birthday today. Happy birthday, Raul! Is that you right there? Stand up and be acknowledged, you muscular man, you. Come on, you're like Mr. Stretch. You know that toy? Raul and Marlene Argana, thank you so much. Lynn and Pepe de la Cruz. These are your producers. Of course.